How to get your TikTok account unbanned. So if you want to get your TikTok account unbanned, then what you need to have is an extra TikTok account. So you can go with your friend or your family member's account, or you can simply go with your extra TikTok account and then you can open up that account. Once you open up that account, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and go with report a problem page. And don't worry, because TikTok will reply to each and every person. And once you're here, now you just need to simply go with account and profile and go with manage account, or just go with profile page. And here you might have other options. Tap on other and it will take you to your TikTok help desk or your report a problem page. Go with need more help, which is here on the bottom left. And now if it takes you to report a problem page, then it's best. But if it takes you to the TikTok help desk, you can send a message. So you just need to simply write, I want to be able to unban my account, and you need to enter your account username and enter I was banned incorrectly by TikTok and that is why I need that account to be unbanned. Once you've written that, you can also upload some screenshots if you want to and just send. Once you've sent, then TikTok will reply within 24 hours on how you can fix that problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.